Mr. Speaker, when we give them the right to the power to even freeze people's accounts, freeze assets, and we do not provide for a procedure that would allow the right thing to be done. We heard about what happened to the former governor of Central Bank. We heard what happened. Somebody goes to his house and says that I had a court order. And later when we're asking for the court order, we all know the ex parte application, Mr. Speaker. We shouldn't wait to get into opposition before we find everything wrong with the law. The National Security Minister or the minister responsible for national security who is sponsoring this bill must safeguard the right of citizens. It's their right, far right. We know what is happening. In the name of national security, rights are abused, and at this point, as the people's representatives, we are enacting the law, and we do not want to put in these safeguards. Somebody has bought his new car. They will chase you and come and say, where did you get money to buy this new car? Mr. Speaker, I say some of these things from experience. Just about a month ago, my own pickup was chased by a so-called regional security coordinator and arrested the driver and said that, he has information from national security. Meanwhile, it was not true. When he realized that the car was mine, he said, sorry. Meanwhile, he had arrested the guy, frustrated him, and I don't want to say he extorted money from him for not having a registered car. Mr. Speaker, if such a person was a professional and by enactment he has gone through the vetting process of appointment and knows what he is supposed to do, Mr. Speaker, he won't do such a thing.
In private practice, the way that you get to increase your fees is to speak copiously in court. Even if you say nothing, just speak copiously in court. Because after the clients, when they finish, they say, my lawyer spoke the way my lawyer can. Did you see the way my lawyer was talking? The other lawyers in the courtroom know that he said nothing. And I'm saying this because I have listened to all that my friends on the other side have said, and I cannot hear anything. I cannot hear anything. And the reason why I say I cannot hear anything is simple. We all know that under the NPP, in 2020, you brought a bill to this house, ostensibly to revise the Security and Intelligence Agencies Act, the existing law then. Mr. Speaker, in the process, you enacted an office, which is the office of the Minister for National Security. And you enacted the office and therefore impliedly made it a permanent existence. Mr. Speaker, even the Constitution shies away from enacting ministerial portfolios. Apart from the Attorney General, no minister is enacted by legislation. Ministries are created by executive instruments, and then that necessitates the appointment of a minister to be responsible for that ministry. Mr. Speaker, by enacting the office of a Minister of National Security, you are tying the hands of every president so that he must appoint a Minister for National Security. Mr. Speaker, in the process, you had unwieldy size of government. How many ministers did they have? 125 ministers.
Look at the video.
125 ministers and deputy ministers. For a small country like this, when a country like Australia, with a bigger economy, has just about 30 ministers. Mr. Speaker, the NDC promised that when we come to office, we will downsize. We will cut down the number of ministers. So when we came into office, we indeed cut down the number of ministers.
The decision to amend this.
And among the ministries that we decided to guillotine was the Minister for National Security. And then the issue arose in this chamber. The Right Honorable Speaker, Alban Sumana Bagwin, raised it in this chamber that there is a legal problem. There is an act that enacts the office of National Security Minister, correcting the wrongs of the NPP government. We are cutting down the number of ministers. We don't believe in large-sized governments. Large-sized government wastes public money. The taxpayer must get value for money. That is the object of this bill. Nothing more.